Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be creating this lovely and fascinating logo. If you find that interesting, let's get started. The very first thing you notice is that I'm having a square background. Currently, I'm working with 5 by 5, also working on inches. Then I'm going to just double click on this to create this lovely rectangle. Remove the outline, then using this color. This is the X number of the color. Then after doing that, I'm going to create a lovely square like this. Hold my control key to have a perfect square. Then I can change the angle to 0.25. I mean that should be perfectly fine. Then drag it this way. After doing that, I can click on this to create a white color, remove the outline as well. Click plus on my keyboard, then use this as the color of that. I can now bring it down this way to give it that emboss feature. So right now, the next thing to do is to come to this drop shadow over here. So once we have the drop shadow, I can change the preset to this and then drag this in just a little bit this way. As you can see, it's now bringing the vibe of what I want us to create. I can change this to like 8, which is enough, and everything is perfectly fine right now. The next thing to do is just click on Alt and then click on the other one, then click on plus key again. You can drag this down, hold your control key while dragging, then resize this to another size this way. I can hold my control key while dragging, then change this to 0.25. That's okay as well. Now click on plus again on your keyboard, repeat the same step, color it up, then use your arrow key to create that emboss feature. Come to the drop shadow, then click on this. So now this is getting a little bit balanced up. So that's that. I'm going to change this to 8. Let's see if it's going to work as well. 8 is not working because it's actually a smaller shape, and then this is okay for this. Let's try and bring it around here. So that's fine. And then I'm going to change this to, let's say, 18. So that's lovely. Right now I'm going to import the logo. Control I on your keyboard, then import the logo. You can drag the logo down this way, then bring it around here. So let's type in the name of the brand, which is Electra. I will change the font to this, so impact, and then click on F10 or that on your keyboard. Just drag it up a little bit this way. Now let's change this to center, and then we can color it up. So I'm going to use my color picker tool to click on this color to select that. Also select on this as well. Use the color picker to select on this color, this second color over here. So while leaving that, we can now highlight the tool to select. Then let's just select it this way. You can then group it up, and let's try to click on G on my keyboard. So what I want is not actually working right now. I'm going to ungroup and then convert this to an object, from bitmap to an object. So from there, I can delete the copy beneath it and then ungroup this, then weld it up. Once I'm done that way, I can now select the two, then group it up. Once I'm done grouping, press G on my keyboard, drag this like this, then input these colors. This is the X number of this, and then bring this to this side, and also this is the X number of this, as you can see. Now the next thing to do is to type in this. You can change the spelling of this to light, yes. And then there's a mistake in this F8. Let's change the case to lowercase and then change this to that's perfect. I'm going to come over here, change the font to this, then reduce the size like this. Select this and the shape behind. Press E and C on your keyboard. Come over to edit, then click on fill. So grab the fill color of this. Press G on your keyboard, then you can adjust the slider up this way. So the remaining thing to do is to align everything up. Press this, then press C. After doing that, press C and E, and then that's perfect. So I'm going to ungroup this, realign them. Just press C. C is okay. Ctrl G to group, and now everything is perfect. So this is how we create this lovely flyer, this lovely logo with this effect. So if you find that interesting, consider subscribing to my channel. Follow me on TikTok at Phenomenal Graphics.